Hi, welcome to BCH Technologies. Today I'm going to talk about the issue that's pretty interesting, that your printer going to print out faded pictures. And if you search internet, there are lots of suggestions, such as clean your printhead or use a new cartridge. Actually, it has nothing to do with your printhead and nothing to do with your ink. Of course, your first reaction is maybe I refill my cartridge with an inferior ink. That's not the case. Let me show you what you did. Okay, this is how the problem started. So you find the picture you want to print, you right click and go to print. And in this case, we will just do the plain paper and standard quality. So you can see it looks like the printer has a cataract. So all the color are faded and really pale compared to what's on the right. That's what we want. So our first reaction will be like, okay, let's try to print this in a better mode. So we do a glossy paper, and we're going to select the highest quality, and then we go to print again. When we print it in the high setting, the picture looks a little bit better, but still unsatisfactory. By this time, most users will conclude that there's something wrong with the ink cartridge or printhead. However, if we take a look at the picture is actually very clear. Just the color is off and pale. Therefore, the printhead is not clogged. In fact, there's no problem with ink cartridge either. So how can we print a picture as clear as this one? We soon find out that if we print a Word document, all the text and the graphics are really sharp and all the colors are vivid. So let's try to insert this picture into a Word document. So we open a Word document and find this picture to insert. We'll find this picture is printed with correct colors. So actually the problem is how we print this picture. If we right click and print a picture, then we usually print with the default Windows picture viewer, which is known to have problem with some printers. Therefore, if we use a different program, say Microsoft Word, Photoshop, or other photo software to print this picture, it will be printed correctly. So here's Photoshop, and this Photoshop you can select different settings, and if we print from this one, it will print correctly. So if you do not have a commercial photo editing software, for example Photoshop, you can use a built-in Microsoft Paint, which is free and installed in every PC by default. You can just click Start and type in the word Paint, and I will show you next how to use a Paint. See, I put a Paint, and there it is, and then you can just open it and print it. So if you don't want to use the pen because you like the borderless printing, picture printing, most printers come with a photo software that can be downloaded from the manufacturer support website. For example, Canon has Image Garden, and Epson has their own thing. So you can just go to their website and download their software and use that software to print your pictures. This problem only affects pictures and it's not affecting documents because documents are printed with their own software. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.